Okay, so this is a little RC car, air powered, that we just 3D printed. And well, pretty simple. It's got a DC motor in there. We have a brushless one we're gonna put on. It's gonna be a lot faster, of course, but this one does the trick for now for testing. All the pieces are 3D printed, well, with exception of the servo and electronics, of course, and the fan. But all of it is in here. We got the ESC, we got the receiver and wiring, and then the battery. Of course, that's a huge battery for this. So, but it's all we had, so we figured we fit it in there. Still works though. Like I said, everything's 3D printed. It looks ugly because of the camera, and it's dirty.
Because we tested it.
Yeah, we did. Hello.
And I crashed into a trash can and broke it.
Yeah,
but it took like 5 minutes for him to fix it.
Yep. So this is what he's talking about. This is the front suspension.
Crashed.
Yeah.
Trash can.
It's crashed. So the way we designed this was we made this piece to fit here on the top, and then the bottom we put another one, and that's how you get the suspension. It's about 1 millimeter thick, and that's what works as a suspension. Doesn't need shock absorbers or springs or nothing, and uses the actual flexibility of the plastic. It's PLA, by the way. And then no ball bearings. Like I said, I wanted to make as much of it just printed. It's got 3 millimeters bolts going through it, and that's really all we need. Of course, this is not extremely fast, but it is fun. Something you guys can do with your son and have fun with. And it's a pretty quick print. Let's see if I can show you here. Let's see. Alright, these two pieces are printed separately because I wanted to make something to separate the electronics and the fan. So I printed this little piece here, and then, you know, I gave it a little bit of a curve there for the airflow. And like I said, they go both down the bottom. The bottom plate, which also has the side panels and the box to fit the battery in, and the servo, which just drops in. And I made the holes so you could bolt in the servo, but in reality you don't need to bolt it in. You could just put the top piece and the sandwiches in there. And what else? Oh, so all these pieces are replaceable, quick print, and you're done, because you will be breaking it. So,
like me.
Yeah, like that guy. So pretty much all the pieces, I'll try to put all the files, thinking maybe like Thingiverse or something, so you guys can print it out yourself. And all you're gonna need is just pretty much the electronics and the motor. Like I said, this one's DC, just to like test the theory, I guess. And then we're gonna go brushless. It's about close to a 1/10 size. I didn't really think about how big I wanted to make it. We just made it to where it would fit the electronics, and pretty much that's how big we made it. Servo wire comes in between the battery and the case. Everything is sandwiched in there. I tried to make it as small as we possibly could, and it turned out okay. Let me see if I... Whoa. That's not smart.
Don't break it if you want.
So as you can see, it goes. Anyways, I'll post some videos later of it running, and like I said, I'll try to put the files on something like Thingiverse or something, so you guys can print it out and have some fun, right?
And see the video of me crashing it.
Oh yeah, well hopefully we won't get a video of you crashing it.
Aww.